Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to handle response in Node.js. So let's start. So first we have to create response.js, const make error response, const make success response. Okay. Module.export. Now const let make error response. Make error response. So we can create status, message, time, time, error. Okay. So now error code, error, error dot, error code, error message as error message. Time, new date. Status is status code. If status, then status, otherwise 500. Okay. Status code. Now, rest dot status, status code dot JSON to make a response. Same thing is here. Status code make success response. Status, status code message is new variable is data. Okay. So now you can see if it's status, then it's status, otherwise status code 200. So our response module is done now. Okay. Now I am going to the controller to verify this. Try catch. First check through something is going wrong. Okay. And return make error response. Error code this and error message is error. Okay, now we can see in the API section error code 500, something is going wrong and the internal server error. Okay, now we are going here, return make success response. Now we are create a user data, user model dot create name as okay. Now we can check success response here. User created successfully. Status, message, and time. But the data is not going because we are not choosing data. Okay. Now data will be coming here. Okay. Need to use await here. Okay, friends. Now this is the success response. This is the error response. Now we make error code and error message as dynamic. So now is in helper. I've created a file messages.js. Now let error error is like one. User is not created. Something is going wrong. Okay. Now module dot module dot exports error. Now we can make it dynamic. Going to the response, create a function const make error object. From code, let error obj error code error code is make static and error message something went wrong. Okay, this will return if the condition is not matched. Okay, now if error code need to import error is here const error require messages. Okay, error messages. Okay, now error msg, error msgs code. Now error obj is error code dot error message, error message, and error obj error code. Now return error obj. Place this here. Change error. Yes, something went wrong because the error code is not here. Now we are going to here and add error code as one. Something is wrong there in the response. Okay, error message. Error one module for exports response. Now just okay. Now hit again. Yeah, got it. Error code is one. User is not created. Something is going wrong. So you can add dynamic error code and error message. So front end will handle the error message with the error code. You can change error message anytime, but error code will make condition in your front end application. Okay, friends. If you think this video is useful, then like, subscribe, and comments if you want any other things from my side. And share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for watching.